Pachipamwe. Today we are going to be learning how to ask a person where they are from. This is a very important question to ask, especially in a Shona context. Where you are from does not always mean where you live. It actually tends to mean where do you spring from? Where do your ancestors come from? Where is your homeland? So if somebody asks me, where are you from? I can say, I am from Zimbabwe. But if I'm Zimbabwe and they ask me where I'm from, I have to answer where my rural areas and my grandparents come from. So how do you ask where you're from? Ndinobva kupi. This is the informal form. The polite plural form would be munobva kupi. Ba means to come from, and kupi is where. Ndinobva kupi, munobva kupi. You would then answer this by saying where you come from. Ndinobva kupi? Ndinobva kuZimbabwe. Munobva kupi? Ndinobva kwaseke. Unobva kupi? Ndinobva kwamtoko. Munobva kupi? Ndinobva kwachiHota. With countries, you would answer ku. Ndinobva kuZimbabwe. Ndinobva kuChina. Ndinobva kuAmerica. This is also the same for cities. Ndinobva kuHarare. Ndinobva kuSt. Louis. On the other hand, for villages and places that are usually named after the headman or the chief, we tend to say kwa. Ndinobva kwaseke. But of course, for every rule there's an exception. Cities like Mutare, you would rarely say ndinobva kuMutare. People would tend to say ndinobva kwaMutare. And sometimes you might drop it all together and say ndinobva Bulawayo, ndinobva Gweru. So this is something you're just going to have to learn to play by ear and follow what everybody else around you is saying. So, iwewe unobva kupi, meaning you, where do you come from? For your homework, let me know in the comments below. Unobva kupi. Tonana.